If you are a lady dreaming of thick, shiny, strong, and healthy hair, then this oil is a must-have for you. This orange seed oil works amazingly well for hair growth, front hair breakage repel, and overall hair strength. Once you try it, you understand why I never let orange seed goes to waste. I usually collect a lot of spoiled oranges from fruit sellers for feeding my BSF larvae, and every time I prepare them, I make sure to save the seeds. Over time, I realized just how powerful these seeds are for hair care. So I decided to share step by step how I made my orange seed oil at home. First, I cut open the oranges and removed the seed one after the other, taking my time to collect as many as possible. Once that is done, I wash the seeds thoroughly to remove every trace of pulp. I place a sieve over a bowl, add the seeds, pour in enough water, and wash until all the pulps and impurities are completely gone. After washing, I drain the water fully and spread the seed on a tray. Then dry them under the sunlight until they are completely dry. Once fully dried, we move on to the next step. I add the seed to a pan and toast them on low heat for about 5 minutes. This helps prepare the seed for extraction. After that, I turn off the heat, transfer them back to a tray, and allow them to cool for about another 5 minutes. Now comes the most tedious but very important part of the process. I peel off the outer skin of the seeds, just like peeling melon or sunflower seeds. This step helps reduce oil loss during extraction. It takes time, but if you know the value of this oil, you really won't mind. Once done, this is how they look. The outer skin, which I discard, and the clean seed with all skin removed. Next, I transfer the peeled seed into my blender and blend until coarsely smooth. We don't want it too smooth. This texture right here is perfect. I then add the blended seed into my pocket cheesecloth, filling it just a little over halfway. Tie it securely and set it aside. I repeat the same process with a second cheesecloth. Now, I place them into my steam pot. Cover and steam for about 10 minutes to soften the seed even more. After steaming, I turn off the heat and move straight to the final and most exciting step, oil extraction. I feed one bundle into my cast iron manual juicer and pull down the lever. Look at that beautiful golden oil dripping into the container. I lift and press repeatedly until the pulp is completely dry. This juicer is honestly amazing and very effective for both juice and oil extraction. You can see how dry the pulp is. That is how you know you have extracted everything. I repeat the same process with the second bundle. Another interesting thing about this juicer, if I pull down the lever all the way down, it locks at that position with all the pressure. Can you see the oil dripping out without me doing anything? Keep pressing until all the oil stops dripping. Once done, I set the juicer aside and transfer the oil into my container. And just like that, pure orange seed oil is ready. This oil is a game changer for thick, healthy, shiny and strong hair, especially for ladies dealing with front hair breakage. If you love natural hair care and powerful DIY oils, make sure you save this. Try it and thank me later. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.